Hi, and welcome to another Mostly Mike Show 2-Minute Quickie. Almost everyone who makes YouTube videos with GoPros uses some form of flexible tripod to capture third-person shots if you're not as fortunate as me to have a cheap and easy cameraman such as Cameraman Mike to get those sweet B-roll shots. As you probably already know, sometimes these tripods break.
Oh no!
Today I'll show you a super quick and easy repair for a broken leg on your Fotopro flexible tripod. All that you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver and another broken Fotopro tripod with at least one good leg. If you're like me, you probably own a few of these because they do break sometimes, and if you don't hoard your broken ones, well, you should. So get yourself at least one spare through my Amazon link below and save those old ones. They're only around $8 at the time of this video, which is a smoking good deal. So why Fotopro? Well, I've tried them all, or at least, most, and the Fotopro brands seem to serve me the best. I'm not sponsored by Fotopro, I just like their tripods. They come in long-legged or short. The long-legged, a few bucks more, also has a ball mount on top to tilt your camera. So here's a close-up of the part that breaks with the padded covering pulled back. It kind of looks like a piece of aluminum fence wire, which will break if you bend it a Brazilian times like I did. If you look underneath, there's 3 Phillips head screws. Simply remove them and put them in a safe place. Next, pop off the red part, or for the colorblind members of the audience, the light gray part.
Which one's red? The one in your left hand!
You'll see that the legs are sort of dovetailed into the main body. Slide the broken one towards the center and it'll free itself from the body. Repeat this process on the hoarded broken tripod, removing the good leg, then simply and obviously install that good leg into the empty slot to make the previously broken tripod whole again. Reassemble both and be sure to save, or hoard if you will, the broken one along with even the broken pieces, because I am working on a way to fix those for a sequel video. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Now get out there and film something awesome. Please click that like button if you enjoyed, consider subscribing if you're new here, and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for taking part in this Mostly Mike Show 2-Minute Quickie. Was it good for you?